Teagan Micah, her third straight year, manning the Bruins net.
Charlotte Williams, left-footed shot, punched away
By a diving Teagan Micah there when they need them.
driven cross, great header, even better stop. Teagan Micah with the play of the game. Full stretch to her right to keep us tied. Fed her inside, still Marissa Shiva with the left foot, pushes it wide. Teagan Micah able to get to it as well. Bounces. And Micah able to catch it ahead of the on-rushing Abella.